You're smiling for me? What is this?
Package for Nana.
A package from Nana, yeah? Do you want to open it?
Yeah.
Okay. What is that?
Oh, it's a shirt. Keep pulling stuff out.
Let's see what else is in
Get it out
there.
of there. Pull it out. Look what, there's other stuff underneath the shirts.
You want
Come on.
toys?
See, look, there's some toys down here. See? Keep going. You gotta keep digging. Uh-oh, what's that? Underwear.
Junk.
Underwear.
Whoa!
Wait, what is that?
Sully, what is that? What are those?
Whoa, a car.
Oh, wow.
Whoa, a truck.
Whoa.
What's the other one?
Oh my goodness. Sully. Sullivan. Sully, look at mommy.
Chihuahua.
Chihuahua. Huh? Awesome.
Say Chihuahua.
Oh, that is exciting.
Can you say thank you, Nana?
Thank you, Nana. It's Chihuahua.
What other movie is there? Right there. That one.
Chihuahua. Not Chihuahua.
Say, Sully, look over here. Look at and say thank you, Nana.
Thank you, Nana.
Say I love you.
I like you, Nana.
Oh.
Oh, Uncle Fit.
Wow.
You gotta say thank you, Papa, as well.
Yeah.
Thank you, Papa.
Awesome. Say bye.
Bye. Look at your Uncle
Whoa.
Fit.
Two goldfishies. Okay, bye. Sully, say bye.
Bye.